Hi,
Hi, Adam.
who is Tonny Colyn?
Tonny Colyn is fun and focused on sustainability and thrift and everything she does.
How do you start your day?
I start my day with a cup of coffee and I open up my phone and I read emails pretty much right away when I get out of bed.
Oh no.
Yeah.
What is one thing that you have tried that would never do it again?
Sushi. Not a fan of sushi.
Who would you like to have coffee with?
I think I would love to have coffee with Michelle Obama. She seems like a fascinating person.
How do you see sustainability changing the Canadian fashion industry?
We're seeing it actually on the front end in manufacturing and in production and design. And I think even more so, we're seeing it on the back end when items are getting to the end of their life through thrift and upcycling and recycling.
Who are your fashion icon?
I think a fashion icon. Can I choose Marie Kondo? I just love the work that she's been doing in sustainability and the way that she's teaching us to love our clothes and to wear things longer and donate when we don't need them anymore.
That's wonderful. What do you look for in a piece of clothes?
I look for quality. I love color. I'm often shopping thrift, so I'm looking for things that aren't worn out and have a lot of life left in them.
What one city you always want to live in?
Dubai seems like an amazing city, so culturally different from anything I've ever seen or been to.
What advice would you give to your 20-year-old self?
I would say be true to who you are. Don't try to change who you are, but harness it and be happy.
All right, so we're going to go to words association.
Okay.
All right, upcycle,
Recycle.
creative,
Innovative.
sustainability,
Shift to thrift.
glamorous,
Fashion.
opportunity.
Money.
Thank you, Tony.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.